Hey guys, I am over here in the suburbs, a little bit smoother sailing. I came over here to Pearland because I want to check out this park. Anyways, this morning I filmed a video for you all on the history of Clinique, and I rather enjoyed doing the research behind that. The dermatologist who helped develop Clinique, it's an interesting interesting story. He passed away, unfortunately, 2 years ago, but what an amazing career. Yeah, I always find it impressive to go back and look at the careers of people in medicine from back in the day, what they were able to accomplish as residents. I think there was just a lot less red tape back then. They didn't have the hurdles to go through to do research. It was just more of a wild, wild west type of time. Yeah, like that guy was instrumental in the development of Head & Shoulders shampoo, which incidentally, zinc pyrithione is an anti-dandruff ingredient. It's anti-inflammatory. It's what's in Head & Shoulders. But later on, it was found to potentially offer some benefit for those with pattern hair loss, male pattern hair loss or female pattern hair loss, as an add-on, an adjunct to typical treatments. Likely because of its anti-inflammatory properties. Yeah, he came up with that, the hair transplant, and he was responsible, although I don't know about this, for the BUF PUF. Let me know in the comments if you ever use the BUF PUF. But the story behind the BUF PUF, apparently, see, this guy, he was instrumental in advancing, pioneering, and refining development of dermabrasion for scars and for acne scars and whatnot. And he got the idea for the BUF PUF because the crazy thing is he was watching somebody buff floors, that big buffer thing, floor buffing, whatever. And in his mind, because the buff pad, I guess, adhered to this device or whatever, and it adhered to it in the center of the pad. There was like a hole where it would link into whatever, the buffing, whatever. And he was like, I wonder what they do with the center of the pad that they cut out in order for it to fit on the buffer. And that's where he got the idea for the BUF PUF, that center of a floor buffing pad. Prior to the 60s, skincare was not really mainstream at all, as far as it was basically like soap, maybe some moisturizer, forget sunscreen. That was just not a thing that was even really developed nowhere near to the extent that it is today, let alone people using it as part of their daily habit. And the whole premise behind Clinique was basically to start a multi-brand company, because at that time it was Estee Lauder, and Leonard wanted to,
in 1 mile, turn right,
wanted to create something unique and different, another brand, to take the company to a multi-brand company. And hence Clinique was born. And the whole concept was it was going to be strikingly different from Estee Lauder. It was going to be, more sleek, modern, and have that kind of science-backed mystique to it.
Then arrive at your destination.
We're here. Have this little lightweight jacket. You can get these on the Amazonian. I don't know what the brand is. It's a UPF jacket, but it's super light, so I assumed it was going to be human. And I brought my Coolie Bar collapsible hat. But there's an indoor part of this, and there's an outdoor part. It's like a little nature thing. So we'll go check it out. This is nice. They've got a water fountain and a station where you can refill your water bottle. This looks like something you can, hose off your pet with. Oh no, it's a bicycle air tire. I thought it was a little hose for your pets, but that's cool. You can bring your bike and fill up your tire, put air in your tire. So, fun fact, when I was researching moving to Texas and looking to add Houston, I thought it was Pearland I didn't realize it was Pearland until I got here. But yeah, that's the name of the suburb, and here's a pear. It's like, there's some blue bonnets. Cute. All right, let's go into the nature center. Oh, before we do, check it out. These little birds in the distance. We have a snake here. I don't know if you can see him up there. We have a little educational classroom in this fish tank. This is cool. You can look out and bird watch. Who's at the pond? I think I spotted the snowy egret. Looks like we have a pond over here. And education plan. Duckweed. Why do I feel as though you can eat that? I feel like that's a food that people eat. Like, I feel like I've seen it maybe at H Mart. Am I making this up? Little fishies. So I'm wearing my vegan Crocs, my vegan Birkenstocks. They match my little pink jacket. What's this little nook? Bird feeder. I don't know what these little pebbly glass things are, but they're kind of pretty. Turk's cap. Ooh, butterflies. Mmm, looks delicious. There's a stick here. Did you guys ever play Limbo when you were a kid? I mean, it's a fun party game. This would be a good Limbo stick. Watching, waiting patiently, then snap, caught a fish. The great blue heron and the double-crested cormorant. Over there. Here's some of what lies beneath. Look deep into nature and you will understand everything. There are a lot more out there. Yeah, if you just stand here, they cross over. Look where that black bird is. Let's have a better snack bar over here. Looks like they have planted trees here. Well, that was fun. Briefly got caught in a little bit of a drizzle, but my hat and this protected me. But yeah, it was fun seeing the birds. You definitely have to come here if you live in the Houston area because looking through the binoculars is really cool. Looked like they had some kind of a summer camp activity going on too, like with kids crafts and stuff, which seemed like fun. They had that nice classroom in there. Really cool. I'm glad I got to check that out. Anyways, I'm gonna head over to this thrift shop I've been wanting to check out. So we'll head on Angel's resale shop. And apparently they have coffee and cake. DVD players. And ew, what is this? A laminator, sticker maker. I wonder if it works. 3 sample cartridges, an idea book. $13. Random bowling ball. And bag. I remember these things. You would put water in them and then you press this button. You try and get the bubbles into the little thing. They have reeds. These are always so expensive. But the ones they have here look a little well-loved. Yeah, these kind of wreaths, sometimes they can be like hundreds of dollars on Etsy. Glasses galore. These mugs are all too small for me. Check out this toaster. It's kind of cute. Oh, it's a grilled cheese toaster. Giant gummy candy maker. I wonder if you could use agar in this. I guess you melt the stuff and then pour it into these molds. Oh, I had one of these. You can use it to make deviled eggs and cream puffs. I don't remember it being able to do that, but I definitely had one of these. Ooh, what's this? Keebler Uncommonly Good Pie Maker. How cute, you can make little mini pies in there. Gee, it's the little Beanie Babies, Maple, the Bear, and Britannia. I may have to go in there and buy those. Alright, I came in here and I'm loving this day bed. Isn't that nice? $3.50. That doesn't seem too bad. Sofa set looks nice. $400. I don't know, that doesn't seem too bad. These are cute. Little mugs. Ooh, I like this. Let's see if I can get it in the frame. It's like a standing mirror. It's like at. It's a little too tall for me, but it's cool. You put a little plant there. It's got little drawers. They have quite a selection of fairly nice furniture. This little love seat. Ooh, I love these. Looks like a comfortable chair. How much do they want for that? I'm guessing 120 is oh, 12. I misread that. I thought it said 120. I was like, 120 for a pillow? The chair is 179. He's cute. That is opulent. I can see it in the right bedroom now, honestly. Like, if you had a bedroom that was very light and airy, that opened up, had like a patio that opened up into a yard or something, I can kind of see that, I guess. It's kind of cute. Put your shoes on. Sit down to put your shoes on. $239. That doesn't seem too bad at all because it's in really good condition, and it's got hooks. You can hang like scarves when you come in. That's really nice. There's a mirror. These are the dessert plates. These are cute. It's a good table for crafts and stuff. I like that. The knobs are nice. It's got a glass top too. How much do they want for that? $159? That's not bad at all. Because I was looking on Amazon recently, and that's about how much they were charging for these kinds of little end table type things. And you had to assemble them yourself. And you know, coming from Amazon, they're not gonna always be predictable in terms of quality. This is cute, a little letter writing desk. They have nice stuff in here. Oh, look, they have more of them. See, it was all about keeping the tag on back then. $5. What a lie. They told us these were going to be worth millions. I'm still tempted to get them. Aaron the Bear. I remember this one was really difficult to find. The big one. Little tchotchkes. It's good for outdoor furniture. Man, this person, whoever brought these here, they had quite the collection of them. I wonder if they were one of those who bought up a bunch of them back in the day, only to try and resell them. That was a thing back then. Like, you would have to go and somebody would be selling them, like, out of the back of their truck. It was questionable. Aren't they cute? I remember these. Did they have a name? Like, you got one on your birthday, these little Christopher collection. I feel like this is some different version, but there were like these girls too that had. These are really popular at Hallmark. They're cute. $7. Apparently inflation didn't touch them. This is a really nice bed for a child's room. Oh, I like the bedspreads on these. I like that bed too. That'd be nice for a guest room. Oh, those little gnomes. They're everywhere. I'm back here and they have all sorts of cute dishes. Check out this little, is this for like eating lobster? You put the butter in there, or is that for like the cracker? Hershey's fondue pot. Then they also have Fiesta ware. Do any of you guys collect Fiesta ware? Genuine Fiesta. I don't know what that sound is. That's sweet. Well, Hidden Treasures definitely had some good quality, in good shape furniture and nice dishes. Definitely recommended. Forgotten Angels, it's kind of the place where, like, if you've got a craft project in mind, maybe you would go in there. I didn't really look at the clothing. It was a little bit more, you know, well loved. But Hidden Treasures, the prices were not too bad. The quality, everything was in really good shape, and the arrangement, it was just a really nice shopping experience. I'm here in Sprouts, and it looks like they started carrying the Attitude line. I haven't used their products in a while, but they're really good. They have a hand soap that's quite good, and I've used this shower gel before. It's pretty nice. They've also got shampoo and conditioner. This looks like a new line from Mercure, Ultra Hydrating Electrolyte Facial Moisturizer. Safflower seed oil, argan oil, evening primrose oil, those are emollients, and then cocoa butter. Ultra Hydrating Eye Cream. Avocado oil. They came out with a plant ceramide facial lotion, niacinamide, rice bran oil. Polyglutamic acid is good too. Well, hey guys, I am all out of the shower, moisturized. Speaking of moisturized, I've continued to use this Nutrius Brazilian body butter that I got at Costco to test out for you guys in comparison to the Brazilian Boom Boom cream. I am still liking it, but I would not call this a holy grail. Let me know in the comments if you swung into your local club and snagged it. What do you think? You know, I tried looking this brand up online to see if they had anything else, and I can find nothing about it. So yeah, anyways, I get some comments here and there, and I've debunked this in a video before. Does benzoyl peroxide increase skin aging? The short answer is no. There's no evidence that benzoyl peroxide accelerates wrinkle formation or anything like that. It can be drying, and that by itself can make your skin look more wrinkled for sure. But honestly, newer formulations, they're micronized, they've gotten a lot better than they used to be. Not all things that create free radicals are necessarily bad. Free radicals in small to moderate amounts are actually beneficial. It's part of the way in which your immune system attacks and destroys bacteria. And your body has an antioxidant system in place to kind of handle all of that. So don't just hear, you know, free radicals and automatically assume aging. Not to mention benzoyl peroxide, it primarily acts within the pore. It doesn't penetrate down like deep into the epidermis or anything, and it doesn't penetrate to the dermis where collagen is or anything like that. Furthermore, benzoyl peroxide is actually anti-inflammatory. So if anything, you know, it can help reduce the inflammation and acne. That's part of how it works. That would otherwise lead to scarring. I hear the same question being asked a lot, and I've debunked it before, about sunless tanners. And again, the answer there is no. If anything, sunless tanners, active ingredient is dihydroxyacetone. It's actually been shown to block some long-wave UVA, which contributes to skin aging. So if anything, using dihydroxyacetone sunless tanning products may actually help, provided you use it in conjunction with sunscreen, may actually help us, you know, prevent accelerated skin aging. But anyways, you guys, I'm gonna wrap this vlog up. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. On the end slate, I'm going to put my last vlog if you want to check that out. But if you liked it, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and as always, don't forget, sunscreen and subscribe. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.